In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best drones in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which drones is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Holystone Mini Drone. It's more fun than others. You can do toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. All children love it. Pilots can adjust the speed to suit their flight proficiency. It is user-friendly. The altitude hold function allows it to hover at a fixed height stably. Under headless mode, directions are always relative to the pilot's faces. This makes it easy to fly safely for beginners and children. 3 batteries extend flight time. Flight time can be extended up to 21 minutes. Don't be disappointed by a dead battery or the need to wait for it to charge. Low battery power alarms are free from any worries about loss or damage caused by low power. The mini and portable versions of this buddy are great for parties, school, fishing, or hiking long distances. Definitely a great birthday, Christmas, or holiday gift for kids or friends. Protection guard protects propellers from being spun by children and prevents damage to drones. The drone will beep if the battery is low. The drone should never be lost. Here is the item number 4, Force 1 Mini Drone. Easy remote control drone for kids. This mini RC drone can be controlled by a single button. You can launch, land, and perform 360-degree flips using the 4-channel remote transmitter. It allows you to control multiple drones simultaneously. Vibrant LED drone. This drone has 2 speeds. You can fly it indoors or outdoors with ultra-bright neon-colored LEDs. The drone races at low and high speeds to suit the preferences of experienced, intermediate, or beginner drone pilots. UFO drone specifics for beginners. The user-friendly UFO drone features include altitude hold, which keeps the drone at a fixed height, and headless mode, which allows for easy drone orientation. Extended flight time with 2 drone battery. Fly this quadcopter drone for up to 18 minutes. The included rechargeable drone batteries can be charged twice per hour. This ultra-portable mini drone measures 5.5 inches x 5.5 inches and comes with 4 spare propellers, a USB charging cord, and remote control. A durable, kid-safe toy drone. The item number 3, Holystone Foldable Drone. Altitude hold function. This powerful air pressure function will allow you to release your throttle stick, and the drone will continue hovering at its current height. It is lightweight and portable. 1 key takeoff or landing. The drone hovers at a predetermined altitude after takeoff and landing, making it easy for beginners to maneuver and control. 1 key return and headless mode. Allow players at any level to fly the drone and operate it easily. 1 key return. Press this button in headless mode to bring the drone back to you. High-speed rotation, a new and exciting function. You will experience an exciting and unique feeling when the drone circles 360 degrees. Access to flying dreams should be available to everyone at an affordable price. We are dedicated to making high-tech drones that are affordable and easy to fly. Holystone drones have been the top choice for drone enthusiasts and beginners since 2014. With their Holystone drones, more than 5 million customers have had great fun flying and captured unforgettable moments. Number 2 in our list, DEERC Mini Drone. HD photos and live videos. D20 is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera for better aerial photos and video. With FPV transmission, you can view the sky through a smartphone app with a live video feed. The best drone toy for kids, Fly D20 is a magical drone toy. Just tap the 1 key start or landing button to launch the drone. Altitude hold allows the drone to remain at a specific height. This makes it easy to control and capture high-quality footage. It's powerful and safe. 4 propeller guards ensure a safe flight. 2 rechargeable, powerful batteries provide up to 20 minutes of battery life, so you can charge safely and fly for longer. 3D flips and waypoints. Fly. Push the control sticks inwards for an impressive flip. You can also draw a flight path on your smartphone to guide the drone. This will add some fun to your flight. Voice control and gesture auto. This allows you to control your drone using simple voice commands like takeoff or landing. If you place a V sign or palm in front, the drone will automatically take photos or videos. The top one in our list, Holy Stone Drone. 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. Capture memorable moments without distortion and view images directly on your smartphone using the wide-angle lens. You can expand your creativity and share it easily on social media. Altitude hold. If you concentrate on taking images, the joystick may be removed and the drone will remain suspended in midair at a fixed altitude. This drone is ideal for kids, beginners, starters, and newbies who want a stable, easy flight experience. Headless mode. This mode allows the pilot to feel more in control of the drone, especially when it is not visible. The orientation of the drone will be relative to the pilot. The drones are equipped with 3D flips to make your day more enjoyable. Mobile control. The app allows you to activate multiple functions such as voice control, gestures control, and trajectory flight. Instructions for the camera to capture photos using gestures of scissor or videos using paper. 2 modular batteries. 2 batteries can be used to support a flight of 20 minutes. This makes it simple to replace and safe to charge. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best drones amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.